Good afternoon, students. So, today we are going to discuss another chapter of GK, which is prehistoric animals. So, I will tell you what is prehistoric animals. As you can see on the screen, prehistoric animals represent the hundred of million of extinct animal species that lived on the earth during the last 500 million years before humans started recording history. Before humans started recorded history means before human came into existence. Dinosaurs, sea monsters, flying reptiles, woolly mammoths are few of the well-known types of prehistoric animals. And these animals no longer exist on the earth, but they remain in the form of fossils are found at lot of places on earth. So let's start and find out prehistoric animals and discuss prehistoric animals. Yes, our first prehistoric animal, that is woolly mammoth. As you can see on the screen, the sum of the characteristics of woolly mammoth on the screen and the picture of the woolly mammoth on the screen. As you can see, the woolly mammoth is an animal that lived during the last ice age. There are no more woolly mammoth alive on the planet, which means they are extinct or they no longer exist. Woolly mammoth also had tusks like you see on some elephants, but the woolly mammoth tusks were much longer than the elephant's tusk, about 15 feet. And they had long shabby hair that was thought to be brown in color and a thick layer of fat that helped keep them warm in cold weather. Yes, next prehistoric animal, that is Eohippus. Eohippus, also called dawn horse, and belongs to an extinct group of mammals that were the first non-horses. And horse means extinct group of mammals that were the first non-horses and which is considered to be known as horses. And this dog-sized prehistoric animal was the ancestor of the horse. Much of this evolution took place in North America where horses originated but became extinct about 10,000 years ago. Yes, next prehistoric animal, that is woolly rhino, as you can see on the screen, and some of the characteristics of woolly rhino as you can see on the screen. The woolly rhinoceros was covered with thick and long hair which allowed it to survive in the extremely cold and harsh weather. It also had a massive hump reaching from its shoulder, and their diet might have included grasses and shrubby sprouts. Woolly rhinos went extinct about 10,000 years ago, and some scientists believe overhunting was the cause they disappeared. Next prehistoric animal, that is Tyrannosaurus. As you can see on the screen and the picture of the Tyrannosaurus, this was the most fearsome of all known dinosaurs. Fearsome, frightening. And it was about 7 meters in height, and Tyrannosaurus comes from the Greek word meaning trinate lizard. And Tyrannosaurus rex walked on two legs, balancing its huge head with a long and heavy tail. Next prehistoric animal, that is Diplodocus, and some of the characteristics of Diplodocus as you can see on the screen. And this was the biggest of all dinosaurs and one of the longest dinosaurs. Diplodocus had a unique body construction with two rows of bones on the underside of its tail to provide extra support and great mobility. Mobility means it's the ability to move freely, and they weighed about 12 tons. Yes, next prehistoric animal, that is saber-toothed tiger. This prehistoric animal was about 15 meters long, and the most popular theory that suggests the reason for the saber-toothed tiger extinction talk about the tough times due to the climate change, human hunting and scarcity of food. Why they disappeared? Because of climate change, human hunting and shortage of food. Yes, next prehistoric animal or bird, that is Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx is a genus of bird-like dinosaurs, and that is transitional movement or passage between non-avian feathered dinosaurs and modern birds. And this was the first truly flying dinosaurs, and it ate herbivorous dinosaurs for food. Yes, students, last prehistoric animal, that is Megatherium, and some of the characteristics as you can see on the screen, and the picture of the Megatherium as you can see on the screen. Megatherium is one of the largest land mammals and known to have existed, and it is the largest known ground sloth, as big as modern elephants. So I hope you have understood the chapter. Please students, read and revise this chapter again. Thank you and have a nice day.